tadari tadana tadunu tadini tadina tagadari tadari tadana tadunu tadini tadiketa tumsa jum tadi jum tadi samdi tadi jum tadi tam tadi jum tadi tam tadi tam tadana tam tajunu tam tadari tadana tajunu tadini tadigena tadari tam tadana tam tadari tadana tajunu tadini tadigena tadari tadari tadana tajunu tadini tadigeta jum tadi jum tadi tam tadi jum tadi tam tadi jum tadi tam tadi tam tadana tam tajunu tam tadari tadana tajunu tadini tadigena tadari tam tadana tam tadari tadana tajunu tadini tadigena tadari tadana tajunu tadini tadigeta jum tadi jum tadi tam tadi jum tadi tam tadi jum tadi tam tadari tam tadana tam tajunu tam tadari tadana tajunu tadini tadigena tadari tam tadana tam tadari tadana tajunu tadini tadigena tadari tadari tadana tajunu tadini tadigeta jum tadi tam tadi jum tadi tam tadi jum tadi tam tadari tam tadana tam tajunu tam tadari tadana tajunu tadini tadigena tadari tam tadana tam tadari tadana tajunu tadini tadigena tadari tadari tadana tajunu tadini tadigeta jum tadi jum tadi 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 jum tadi tadi jum tadi
Durge, Durge,
do an invocation to God. I will request Gopinath Guru, the president of Aipasya Sangam, to come up the stage and introduce our chief guest, Dr. Dasan Bodhi. Gopinath Guru.
Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Ubhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavagai Tejasvinam Avadidamastu Ma Vidushavahai Om Shanti 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 Swami Sharamayappa. With all devotees' blessings, I am going to invite our chief guest Dasan Bodhi. Before that, I just introduce him. He is a small profile. He has a big profile. He told me, don't exaggerate anything. Very short, I am going to read here. Dasan Bodhi, born in Vaikam, Kerala, Parashik Madam, Kulashekara Mangalam. Dasan Bodhi's full name is Dasan Bodhi itself, PhD. He is living in Parkview Drive, Salisbury, Maryland. He started his education BSc Chemistry in Maharajas College, Cochin. Then MSc Pharmaceutical Chemistry in Kerala, India. Then PhD Pharmaceutical Chemistry, Biochemistry, University of Mississippi, USA. MSc Management Science, Columbia University, New York, USA. Navaratna Pharmaceutical Cochin, India, he started his career as a chemist. Then he moved to USA. Roosevelt Park Memorial Institute, Buffalo, New York, USA. He started as research scientist, cancer research scientist. Then Hormone Drug and Chemical Company, Englewood, New Jersey, USA. Director of Pharmaceutical Manufacturing Company. The Chemical Labs, Amityville, New York. So I invite Sri Dasagoti. First he does a small speech because then he is doing a puja. He told me that this is not the right time for the puja, but it's as a symbol of starting every good thing. We have to have the blessings of the Ganesh and Ayyappa. We do a small puja, then we will go from there. I will be making Dasagoti.
ओम ज्ञानान्त्वा गणपतिं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपवस्त्रवस्त्रं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पदा आनश्रवन्नमसिद्धिसिद्धसाधनम् ओम नमो गणपतये पार्वतीये गणपतये नमः नमस्तेऽस्तु लम्बोदराय गन्धाय विघ्नविनाशिने शिवसुदाय श्रीवरदमूर्तये नमो नमः। ध्यायामि आवाहयामि समर्पयामि अर्घ्यं समर्पयामि वस्त्रं समर्पयामि स्नापयामि अक्षतां समर्पयामि समर्पयामि ओम निवेदयामि ओम भूतनाथाय विद्महे भवपुत्राय धीमहि तन्नः शास्ता प्रचोदयात् ओम श्री भूतनाथाय नमः शबरिपीठमे नमः ओम शबरिगिरिवासिने नमः ओम भूलोकनाथने नमः ओम भूमिप्रपञ्चने नमः ओम सकलगुणशीलिने नमः ओम भूमिचूडयनाथे आश्रयपोर आनन्दमूर्तिये नमः ओम व्याघ्रपुरेश्वराय नमः ओम शास्त्राय नमः कृपणमन्त्रपुष्पाणि समर्पयामि धूपमाग्रापयामि दीपं दर्शयामि ओम भूर्भुवस्सुं सर्वेण भगवत् अमृतोपस्करणमस्ति ओम स्वाहा ओम महागणपति ओम श्री ब्रह्मशास्त्राय नमः प्राणाय स्वाहा ओम प्राणाय प्राणार्ध महानैवेद्यं निवेदयामि नमस्करोमि ओम वचनकृष्णार्थदामायणे देवरायणे दूर्वारोहन्तु पुष्पणे हृदाश्च कुण्डलीकानि समुद्रस्य ग्रहायिनीयं देवी मे सरस्वती ओम श्री धर्मशास्त्राय नमः पूर्णनिराजनं सुन्दरशिवेन्द्रस्तोपेन पञ्चदशेन सगरेण रक्षां धारयामि ओम गौरीर्मीमा यस्सरिजानि तच्छक्ते प्रलयमते साधुष्पदे अष्टावतेन उदेति संस्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे ओम समस्तराजोपचारपूजां समर्पयामि। हरि ओम। श्री सरस्वती नमः ओम श्री धर्मशास्त्राय नमः ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम। Friends, it's nice to be back here in New York. I'm happy to see some of the old friends and most of you are new friends. All Ayyappa devotees are one family. So I'm glad that you are putting in effort again. Because again I say, because we started in 73. It's okay, I don't need a mic. So it was a time when we had a lot of friends. We did the 60 days of Mandala Puja in the year 73. And it was of course a collection of funds for the Ganesha temple at that time. It was an old church where we couldn't even had any heating system there available at that time. But we managed to do it. But we have come a long way. And there was a group of people who are so dedicated. And plans were there to have the Shastra temple. But somehow something did not work. I don't know why. And that is not the important thing. Important thing is we go forward. There is no meaning in going and talking about the past. So, again the temples are plenty available. There are all named temples. And our children most of the time get confused also as adults. My request is that we have to convey the message of not one Godhead, the whole Sanatana Dharma. See, we are not fear-based religion, unlike Christianity or Islam. Bhagavan will punish you is the, say God will punish you if you don't do this or that way. No. Hinduism itself is a British name they gave, or I don't know, the foreigners gave. We are Sanatana Dharma religion. Those who are living in the Hindu, Sindhu Samadalam is the people who got that name. But anyway, I am not going to stretch too much. I just wanted a few things before we, because you are all waiting for various activities and it's already getting late. Okay, so I will limit. Just first and foremost, we all want to be happy, right? Is there anybody who has an objection? And there are so many doctors maybe in this group, and I haven't heard any doctor saying that I had a patient came to me asking for the means. Now we know. We need Bhagavan, we need to get there, we need the funds. Funds alone is not enough. Funds alone won't make a temple. A temple is made by devotees. Where there is a devotee, Bhagavan will be there. If the bhakta is not there, you spend $1 million, never works. Bhakta brings Bhagavan. Please remember that. So, when we do any activities of this fund activities for the community, it becomes yajna. A yajna spirit means work for the common benefit of all, not identifying I did this thing or I did not do. I doesn't come. The moment I comes, we have problem. Relationship comes. As a person, I have no problem. As a husband or wife or father, problem comes because these are all roles I am playing. Remember, the roles will have problem, you have no problem. When you are sleeping, you are. You don't know you are a male or female or professor or a beggar. No. No identification with a role. Most of our problem is the role playing. We have in a drama, the best actor may be given a role to play the beggar. If he comes with a full suit, people will visit, right? So, we are playing the role as best as we can. But 4 things I identify. This is Sanatana Dharma, and it's not mine. Some of the things might be, you will be picking up from the Bhagavad Gita or Ramayana or Bhagavatam. Possessions, relations, ownership, doership. I repeat, these 4 things are to be handled like a tiger. Tiger also, Brahman, everything is Brahman. But tiger, Brahman, you have to be careful, keep away from. Oh, everything is Brahman, I am going to put my head into the mouth of the tiger, it will have a good dinner. So, these 4 ingredients, ownership, doership, and possessions and relations. These are all important in our life. But we should handle. അമ്മയ്ക്കിട്ട് തല്ലു വരുമ്പോൾ എന്താണ് പിള്ളை എടുത്ത് തടുത്തു തുടങ്ങും. ഒരു ഓർമ്മയുണ്ട്, ഞാൻ 4ാം ക്ലാസ് പഠിച്ച ഒരു പദ്യമാണ്. അമ്മ സ്വന്തം മകനെയാണെങ്കിൽ ശരി, അമ്മയ്ക്ക് അച്ഛൻ അടിക്കാൻ പോവുകയാണെങ്കിൽ പിള്ളை എടുത്ത് പിടിക്കും. അമ്മ അടി കൊള്ളാണെങ്കിൽ പിള്ളை മേടിച്ചോട്ടെ, ഞാൻ മേടിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നില്ല. So, വ്യാവഹാരികം is one thing, പാരമാർത്ഥികം another thing. പരമാർത്ഥം എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ sun is not moving. വ്യാവഹാരികത്തിൽ വരുമ്പം sun is rising and sun is setting. These two are 2 different things. So, പാരമാർത്ഥികമാണ് ബ്രഹ്മം. അതിനെപ്പറ്റിയുള്ള no personality involved. A mother is formed. A mother is actually born when the baby is born. Until such time she is not a mother, right? So we are playing the role. So when we are talking about the temple, the goal is set, the means are effort, just like as a yajna. Yajna spirit, Krishna says yajna spirit and prasada buddhi. Prasada buddhi is the one, whatever comes from the God, accept it with happiness. Because if there is difficult time, we may not think of that. Like how do you test in school? We have 4 choices, multiple choice. One answer is correct, 3 of them are wrong. The professor sets the paper. Professor knows the wrong answer. Why he puts that wrong answer? In order to know who knows the right answer, right? Similarly, when we get some problem, Bhagavan is closer, he's ready for testing us. You refuse to listen, he won't mind. No God is going to punish you, I tell you that much. God has so many things to do other than punishing us. This is why the Puranas, how many of you believe in Puranas? Okay. Now another question, be careful answering. How many of you believe in God? Raise the hands. Raise in the hands. Bhagavan is not a vastu for believing in. When you say believing, yes or no, 50-50. ഭഗവാൻ ഉണ്ട്, ഇല്ലാത്ത വസ്തുവല്ല. എനിക്ക് അച്ഛനുണ്ടോ എന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ ആരെങ്കിലും? There is no need for വിശ്വാസം. അച്ഛനുണ്ടെന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ? സോ ഭഗവാൻ ഉണ്ട്, അത് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യേണ്ട ആവശ്യമില്ല. നമ്മൾ അത്താഴം കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് കിടന്നുറങ്ങുന്നു, വയറ് നിറച്ച ആഹാരം, കാലത്തെ നീക്കുമ്പോൾ ബ്രേക്ക്ഫാസ്റ്റ് റെഡിയായി. എന്ത് സംഭവിച്ചു? നമ്മൾ ഉറങ്ങി സുഖമായിട്ട് ഉറങ്ങിന്നേ പറയുമോ? അല്ലേ? ദഹനം നടക്കുന്നു, ഡിസ്ട്രിബ്യൂഷൻ നടക്കുന്നു. 10 billion cells in the body, every cell got its nutrient and oxygen, and they divide, and some of them are destroyed, some of them are replaced. The science says 7 years all the cells are removed. That means we have so many bodies have already come. Most of us are old, right? So before we go, we have to go. That's everybody is to go, guaranteed. Jayade മരണം എപ്പോ ജനിച്ചവർക്കെല്ലാം മരിക്കണം. അതിനിടയ്ക്ക് രണ്ടുണ്ട്, സുഖം ഇല്ലാണ്ട് വ്യാധി, ജന്മ മൃത്യു ജല വ്യാധി, 4 എല്ലാവർക്കും ഉണ്ട്. So before that last period, now we are in the second half of our life, most of us. Now we have to hand over the whole thing to our next generation, right? Pressure has got an opposite word called pain. We want joy, that happiness, that is anandam. There is no opposite word for that. And temple will be useful, and that temple should be yajna. Whatever you get from the temple, don't get disappointed. We will get what we deserve. And whatever you get, accept it as a prasadam, work for getting the better ones. So I am not going to continue. If you have any question, break time or something, we will discuss it. I don't want to stand in front of you and the program coming in. So please, Bhagavan is there no matter what we do. He is not going to punish anybody. He has more things. He is always watching. Because it is his responsibility. He brought us into this world. He will take back, no question. But get to Bhagavan, you have to get to the para buddhi. Vyavaharikam will not take us there. So for which you should stop and go inside. And that's what Bhagavan in Ayyappa Seva Sangam, everybody is talking. I'm sorry, I did not need to talk about the Ayyappa, because we have to do work. For me, all gods are one and the same. Those are all saying where he is going to come, when he is going to come, which part of the world he is going to come. We cannot dictate. Bhagavan comes, so he should come with the Mayalpili, Odapuli, Manda, Epul Merula. Music എപ്പോഴും വരില്ല, ചിലപ്പോൾ വടിയുണ്ടായിട്ട് വരുന്നത്. So it is his decision what way you should come. So we should have religious harmony, not a religious tolerance. I used to, whenever I get a chance to speak to the other religious group, I tell that I don't accept that tolerance business. When you tolerate, that means what? Okay, you are not up to the mark, I will accept you. No, religious harmony. All religions are pathways to the same God. We should adopt that. Whether we agree or disagree, that's something different. So we will have a better world to live on. Not a better Keralites, better human beings. So our effort should be a little more higher, because we are perhaps the chosen group of people. Many of you know that. Indian community, Hindu community is the richest in America. I tell you, secret. But we should uphold that for the next generation. So with this I will take leave. Thank you.
we are going to light the lamp. So Mrs. Dasan Poti, as Janaja Poti, I am waiting to light the lamp. And Vijay Kumar, Secretary, Tamil Sangam, please come on the stage to light the lamp. And Telugu Sangam, President Krishna Sri Gandham, please come on the stage to light the lamp. And Kannada Kootam President Dr. Surendra, please come on the stage to light the lamp with Janaja Poti. And I am inviting, since the inception of the Ayyappa Seva Sangam is 1991, the trustees still remaining as trustees are doing good work. I am inviting 5 of them, they are here. Dr. Sridhar Kal, please come on the stage. Ramendra Nair, please come on the stage. Raju Nanu, please come on the stage. Balakrishnan Nair, please come on the stage. And Jadagopal Gunnapalli, please come on the stage. And all rest of all the board members, please come on the stage. We are going to light the lamp and we have a picture with everybody. Thank you. We have a picture.
Swami, Om Swami, Om Swami. On behalf of the Ayyappa Seva Sangam Incorporation and the Board of Trustees of Ayyappa Seva Sangam, we welcome all Ayyappa devotees on our second national convention. The main objective of Sangam is fostering unity and cooperation among the Ayyappa devotees across the United States. Most recent, we have taken a big step building an Ayyappa temple in New York. Ayyappa Seva Sangam, we are planning so many years. So all the members stand by. We are doing the step right now. We are looking the places for buying the lands. So we are asking everybody, generously donate for our temple project. I'm thankful to all of you to be an opportunity to speak occasion now without further delay. I will honor to give to mic to Mr. Viswanath.
Thank you, Sanjay.
Swami Sharanayappa. Dear brothers and sisters and all Ayyappa devotees, I am extremely happy to welcome you all in this second national convention of Ayyappa Seva Sangam, New York. Our last convention, the inaugural convention last year in the same auditorium, December 9th, was a great success and a memorable one with the help of all the Ayyappa devotees from Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Sri Lanka. Now we are moving on. Since 1991, the inception of the Ayyappa Seva Sangam, our aim was to build a temple, but it not happened so far. There is a time for everything. In the movie says that as Mohanlal say, why couldn't we think about this earlier? But then the friends at Dasa, everybody has a time. So we have a time to build the temple. We cannot tomorrow, day after tomorrow, next year, I don't know. But soon we will cherish this dream because the tri-state region Ayyappa devotees are waiting to fulfill their dream come true, and we have to work together for that dream. So our secretary mentioned our aim and our mission and our vision. Our mission is to build the 18th step Ayyappa temple in New York or its vicinity, and our vision is to bring all Ayyappa devotees together, irrespective of caste or creed. So I invite you to donate. General Secretary Chief Justice Dasan Poti, I have already read his profile here. I don't have to say much about him. He is the one started the puja, Ayyappa puja in New York in Ganesh temple, and he again repeated the same puja here. I know with his blessings and everybody's cooperation, we can have a temple in New York. So honestly and sincerely welcome Dasan Poti and his wife, Miss Jalaja Poti, in this occasion. Next is Ram Poti. Ram Poti is his cousin. He is also a scholar and he is also religiously, not that much, but he is giving his mentor, to how to build the temple. He is giving the idea how you go and do it. And he is supporting us financially, morally, and giving us a push from back to go and do things. And somebody has to push, then only people, when people sleeping, the mother or parents or somebody has to wake up, 10 to 8 o'clock, you don't have to go to school. Then they, 5 more minutes, they just sleep again. That's why we just say, we have time, next year. Then he's, no. If you want, go and look the land. This is the time. He pushed us and we are now waking up from our sleep and we are actively doing our work. We want to welcome Ram Poti in this. Next is Unnikrishnan Nair, our beloved Unnichatan, he is here. He is the one started with Dasan Poti, the Ayyappa Puja in Ganesh temple. So I have to say a lot of things about him, but because not much time. We all know Unnikrishnan and his beloved wife. They both here. I welcome both of them on behalf of Ayyappa Seva Sangam. Next is Guru Swami. In our constitution, we have to have a Guru Swami. So unfortunately, we have no Guru Swami for Ayyappa Seva Sangam right now. We have 5 Guru Swamis here. We are declaring here lately, and we have 1 Guru Swami we are declaring now. He is Premanand. He went to Sabarimala for 30 years, and he is our honorary here. Bhagavata Parayanam in NBA, all the Sattah, he will be there as the reader, and he is inspiration. And he is helping us for the Ayyappa Seva Sangam, making the so many. In the midnight, sometimes I call him Jayaprakash. Can you do this favor? No hesitation, he will do it. With him, his success and his work, there are so many videos going to release soon, and he is doing the news work for him. We are welcoming this Jayaprakash Nair and family. Thank you. And we are going to honor them lately after this with the Panna. Then we have to declare here all our Guru Swamis here. Ashok Kesavan, he went to Sabarimala for 34 years and he is our preserver. And next, Narayan Pushparaj, he went to Sabarimala for 30 years. He is also our Guru Swami. Next Premanand, he went to Sabarimala for 30 years and already declared him as our Guru Swami. He is going to do our pujas and everything in future. Next is Uday Kumar and Shaji Karnagaran. Shaji Karnagaran went to 24 hours, is our secretary, and Uday Kumar 18 years, he is standing there. they are our 5 Gurusamis we have, not only one, we have 5 of them. With all their help, and those who are, I did not go to 18 years, otherwise I can also be a Gurusami. After I go to 18 years, I let you know. Then Tamil Sangam President Dr. Krishna is not here, but the Secretary Vijay Kumar is here. He lighting the lamp with us. Welcome, Vijay Kumar. And Telugu Association President Krishna Sri Gandham and husband here. Welcome. And Kannada Kootam President Dr. Surendran is here. Please welcome him. NBA President Vanaja Nair, she is here. Welcome Vanaja Nair. She is our Board of Trustees member, but she did not come on the stage to light the lamp. She has some handicap after an accident. That is what I did not push her to come. Then our NBA Chairman Vijay Kumar Nair is here. Please welcome Vijay Kumar Nair. SNA President Sahadev is here. Welcome. SNA Chairman Vasudev Pulikal, he is not here, but we are welcoming him. Next, Mahima President Vinod KRK, he is our President and Board of Trustees member. I welcome Vinod KRK. Next, Chairman. Vinod is Vice President? Mahima President. I said Mahima President. Mahima President. I am the President of Ayappa Seva Sangam, if anybody has any doubt. Then Chairman Sukumaran Srigumar. Welcome Sukumaran. Then HKS President Dr. Madhu, he is not here. He promised he will be here. So I welcome all the dignitaries, and on top of that, our freelance writer is here. Our ex-treasurer of KHN, Aravindakshan is here. Please welcome Aravindakshan. If I forget anybody's name, I remember and come back again. And I welcome you all again and enjoy the rest of the program. Thank you. Our Master of Ceremony is Vishwanath. He will conduct the rest of the program. And we have to do one more thing. I have to favor, you have to stand 1 minute. One of the Board of Trustees member, Balan Nair, he passed away in India. And after that, we have to, our Raja Maharaja Uttaradan Martanda Verma, he also passed away. In memory of them, we have to pray and silence for 1 minute.
But Gopinath is a different person altogether. I know he did not forget people, he did it on intention. Anyway, now with all this introduction, I know we are waiting eagerly for the program. The first program, I would request Sumati Haran teachers and her group to come over, please. And they're going to sing a couple of songs. So I request them to come up.
Teacher Sumati Haran. The participants here are Ranjini Haran, Pankaja Meenakshi Rajan, Nilima Dosakaila, Priya Haran, Adya Raghavan, Niharika Puttamuthi. First song is the Bhajan Prabhu Ganapate.
Paripurana Varvarul Vaya
संहार श्री विजय गोपाल राम संरक्षण विजय गोपाल वसुदेव तनय श्री विजय गोपाल वसुदेव तनय श्री विजय गोपाल मानवादिनुत
वर लंबोदर दर हर हर कलभ नौमि श्री भगवन्तं गणपतिमति वरदं वरदन्ती मुखं सुमुखं सादर मे करदं करदं विपदुदधौतं धौतमलं शमलं शमलं वितमपि ददतं हतपापी शमलम्
तर्जं तर्हि तां तर्हि तर्जं तर्हि तां तर्हि तां
Durge, Durge.